In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Slack. If you want to manage tasks without leaving Slack and opening another tool, there are two easy built-in options you can use. The first is Slack Lists, which works well for a more structured backlog with assignees, due dates, and status tracking. The second is a channel canvas, which is perfect if you want a simple checklist that stays visible right beside your conversations. I'll walk you through both methods clearly so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. Let's start with Slack lists. Open Slack on your desktop app or in a desktop web browser. On the left sidebar, click into the More or Files section, then choose Lists from the menu. This takes you into the Lists area where you can create a dedicated task tracker directly inside your workspace. Once you're there, go to the top area and click the button that says New List or Create List. When Slack asks how you want to begin, choose Start from Scratch. If you prefer, you can also use a ready-made template like Team Priorities, but starting from scratch gives you a clean setup. In the list name field, type a clear title for your to-do list. Pick an emoji if you want to make it easier to spot, and then click Create. After the list opens, you can customize it to match how you track work. By default, you'll already have a main task name column. To add more useful fields, go to the far right of the header row and click the plus button to add a field. From there, choose the type of column you want. People lets you assign tasks to teammates. Dates helps you set deadlines, and drop down is useful for creating status labels like to do in progress, review required, or completed. Once you've set up the field, click Save. Now you're ready to add tasks. Click into the empty row at the bottom of the list or use the Add Item button. Type your task name, then fill in the custom fields you created, such as assignee, due date, and status. If you want others to update the list too, click Share in the top right area and connect the list to a channel so your team can track progress together. If you'd rather use a simple visual checklist, open the channel where you want the list to live and click the canvas icon in the upper right corner. A blank canvas will open beside the chat. Click into the canvas, type a slash, and choose Checklist from the menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to insert a checkbox faster. Type your first task, press Enter to create the next checkbox, and keep going until your list is complete. Since the